This week, I called Kate Jenner and I was like, what the fuck?
I don't think so.
I don't know why is he doing that?
He was fucking trying. He was big.
No.
You look so cute in that jumper.
Ah! I'm not doing anything.
If you do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Oh my god!
Alright.
It's not that serious.
Con mi gato es de mi amigo.
You don't get it. Okay, I'm sorry.
Who are you? Come here.
Why would a man be there? Why would a man be there? No, it's actually pissing me off.